Hi, my name is Ian Johnson. I'm a project manager for Beer Construction, and today we are at the Urgent Treatment Centre at Southampton General Hospital. So our vertical site boundary is directly underneath the existing hospital, of which there's 2 stories directly above us, children's emergency department and a outpatient cancer clinic. So the challenge is there, as you can imagine, noise, dust. We cannot do anything that interrupts the operation of the hospital while we're working on site. So the project itself is split into a number of elements. We have a strengthening steelwork element of it, where the existing building is going to be reinforced on all 4 corners. What we have to do is stick a column down onto the existing foundations with a beam that spans between the 2 columns, and then we use a flat jacking system to support the building. As you can see, very challenging on the headroom, and it's a challenge to do this on all 4 corners. So there's been some service diversions. These 2 BMS panels have had to be moved forward approximately 2 metres. Probably going to have to take the side of the building off to get these steels in, because we cannot come through the live plant room. So here we have our main air handling unit, which provides the ventilation and airflow for our extension and some of the existing buildings. Very tight. We literally have 200-300 clearance above us. And to get this in, we had to divert some medical gas. We had to be under permit where we were isolating some of it. The NHS permit system has been fantastic for us. It's a good guide to make sure we don't turn anything off that we're not supposed to. So where I'm stood at the moment is right next to our 22-metre long vibro-piled sheet pile retaining wall. As you can see, there's quite a substantial amount of ground that needed to come out to facilitate our extension. So main extension construction, steel frame, fire protected. We have a SFS system, which will be insulated, and a rain screen system outside of that. So currently stood on the existing boundary. Everything to my left is the existing building with the 2 departments previously mentioned above us. Everything now in front of me is our extension. The area where we're currently stood is going to be a new X-ray room, which we've recently been instructed to construct and fit out. So current stage we're at on site is internal fit out. So we're currently doing dry lining partitions to separate the main space up into its individual treatment rooms and consulting rooms, and the X-ray room will go down behind me there. Once we are complete and we've left site, it'll be nice to look back on this to say we've given something back to the community and the NHS as a whole.